What up, beauties? It's your girl Destiny, and I'm coming to you guys with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, thank you for your continuous support. And today I want to stay in the theme of Valentine's Day, so we're going to be doing a pink eyeshadow look. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, to start this look, I'm using the Juvia's Masquerade Mini. And the first shade that I want to apply is this pink right here. All items used will be linked down below, so make sure you check that out. Also guys, when you subscribe, make sure you hit that bell and turn on all so you get all of my notifications. You don't want to miss any of those videos. So I'm going to put it on the end. And I'm just going to bring that a little bit to the front. So I'm just patting it on my end. I'm not gonna add anything to my brush, but I'm gonna actually blend out the ends. Now using a crease brush, I'm going to apply this brown right here. Right, now using my Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to apply this pink shimmer shade right here. Now I'm gonna take that pink that I put on and tap it off the edges of that shimmer color. I'm using the same brush to apply this pink and the shimmer color. Alright, now I'm gonna blend that out using my blending brush. Blending where I have that first pink that I put on there to kind of merge it in with the shimmer. I'm also blending the top of that pink out up to where we have that brown. It gives it a smoky effect. And to spice that up, I'm gonna use my glitter from Glitz, and this is berries and cream. I'm gonna apply that using my NYX glitter primer. I'm just gonna tap that primer right in the middle, kind of where that pink and the shimmer merge. And I'm gonna apply that glitter right on top of it. And for my bottom eye, I'm just gonna use that darker pink and bring that around using a smudge brush. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and I'll be back with the final result. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I topped off my look with my bougie bling. Description of everything that I use will be in the description box below once again. And also make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss out on any of my videos. Stay tuned for my next video. I'll be doing my Fenty Savage trial haul. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.